Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna macaroni salad with eggs. First, cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the pasta well and rinse it thoroughly with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. While the pasta cools, boil 4 large eggs for exactly 9 minutes. After boiling, cool them quickly in an ice bath, then peel and chop them into small pieces. This initial prep sets the stage for a delicious salad. Next, let's prepare the main ingredients. Take 2 5-ounce cans of tuna and drain them very well to remove excess liquid. Flake the tuna into a large mixing bowl using a fork. Then, finely chop about 1/2 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These vegetables add a wonderful crunch and a fresh, zesty flavor to your salad. Make sure all your ingredients are ready before moving on to the dressing. Now, for the creamy, flavorful dressing that brings everything together. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This combination creates a perfect balance of tang and richness. Season the dressing with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, or adjust to your taste. Mix it until it's smooth and well combined. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious tuna macaroni salad. Add the cooled macaroni, chopped eggs, flaked tuna, and all the chopped vegetables into your large mixing bowl. Pour the creamy dressing over these ingredients. Gently fold everything together until every piece is evenly coated with that wonderful dressing. For the best flavor, cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.